Hello creatives! In this video, I'll share with you ways to easily make $100 a day online in your spare time for extra income to help you meet your financial obligations and live comfortably. There is so much you can accomplish with $100. You can stock up, pay a debt, fix your house, and open a savings account, to name a few. Now consider this for a second. What if you could make $100 a day? I'm sure you could do a lot with that much income if it's consistent. Well, there are real ways you can pocket $100 a day or even every day if you want to, and I'm here to help you. So, if you have been looking to save, invest, or start a business, you can start realizing the dream with my recommended money-making ideas. I'll share 10 easy ways you can earn $100 online in your spare time. Watch out for idea numbers 1, 2, and 3. They are your ticket to making passive income for a long time. But before then, if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel and continue receiving great videos like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get informed every time I publish a life-changing video. Here we go! Number 10. Freelance Online. From writers to proofreaders to web designers and virtual assistants, so many people are looking for freelancers to hire. Just visit Upwork, FlexJobs, Remote.co, or Fiverr to see what you can do. If you sign up as a web designer or graphic designer on Upwork, for example, you can make about $50 an hour or more, so it's easy to make $100 a day. Generally, the more skilled you are, the more money you are likely to make as a freelancer. The advantage is that you pick your jobs and rates. Number 9. Get paid for opinions. Whether you are an academic, a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a laborer, you can make money sharing opinions. You can contribute to focus group discussions on a platform like Respondent.io or user reviews and get to make your $100 in the shortest time possible. On Respondent.io, for example, researchers pay $50 to $250, and you only need a PayPal account to sign up. They accept all kinds of participants, including industry experts and students. User interviews, on the other hand, pay about $75 per contribution, and some as much as $450. One contribution can take up to an hour to complete. Number 8. Offer dog services. If you are an animal lover, then you should consider walking dogs in your free time. You can also pet sit, which is more like babysitting, and get to make about $20 an hour on Rover or Wag. Both pet sitting and dog walking are flexible jobs which don't require any experience. Some clients pay more and even offer tips, which means that you could make your $100 faster than you think. In some cases, you may need to look after the client's house as you pet sit. If you have a good dog facility, you can also offer dog boarding services, which can earn you $100 overnight. The good thing about dog care jobs is that you can do them full-time. If you do, then you'll be making way more than $100. Number 7. Drive people around. If you have a car, there is no quicker way to make your $100 a day than driving people around. You need to sign up for ride-sharing on Uber or Lyft and then get to make up to $20 an hour. That means you'll have your $100 in 5 hours. But still, the hours could be fewer if you factor in the client tips. So what does it take to drive for a ride-sharing service? You need to avail all the necessary documentation. That includes your driving license, insurance, car registration, and an inspection certificate. Your car should also be a 4-door, and you have to pass a background check. The good thing about ride-sharing is that you can even pick clients on your way to and from work. Number 6. Do local deliveries. If driving people around town is not your cup of tea, then consider doing deliveries. The most common deliveries are food and groceries, which can make you $20 an hour on Postmates, Instacart, or DoorDash. Like ride-sharing, you can do deliveries in the evenings, weekends, and whenever you're free. The side hustle also attracts tips, which are just amazing. The other things you can deliver are packages, and there's no better service for that than Amazon Flex. Depending on your location, you can make up to $25 an hour as a delivery guy on Amazon Flex. The beauty of the job is that you set your work schedule and you can pick up parcels at any time of the week. Number 5. Teach ESL, English as a second language. Each day, more and more people want to learn English. So, if you're a native English speaker, teaching ESL is a fantastic opportunity to make money. A platform like VIP Kid or EF Education First allows you to make $20 an hour. That's achievable over the weekend and on off days and leaves. So what does it take to be an ESL tutor? As I mentioned, you have to be a native English speaker. The other requirement is at least a degree, which doesn't necessarily have to be a teaching degree. You also need to have completed the TEFL program and should have access to an internet-enabled computer. You'll mostly be teaching via Skype. Number 4. Do odd jobs. Not everyone can lift heavy stuff, attend to a garden, do installations, or fix clogged sinks. Some people are just too old to do it, too busy, or don't have the technical know-how. So, if you're the DIY type, it's about time you monetize your skill. How about you start doing odd jobs in your neighborhood in the free time and get paid? A platform like TaskRabbit lets you do precisely that, and you can make as much as $50 per assignment. That means you only need to work for 2 guys to make your $100. With some jobs taking an hour or 2, you can truly make more. TaskRabbit's alternatives include Gigwalk and Thumbtack. Number 3. Sell online courses. I'm sure you'd love some passive income. Most people define passive income as money you receive following minimal activity. However, you've got to invest time and some money in the beginning. So, if you can create a course and sell it online, you'll be receiving income while sleeping as long as your program sells. If you're looking for a platform where you can not only create a training program but also sell it, consider Udemy or Teachable. Skillshare and Thinkific are other excellent choices. Depending on how many students buy or subscribe to your course, you can make $100 or more a day. With online courses, you can teach fun lessons like cooking and embroidery or academics, or anything else that people may find interesting. Number 2. Launch a YouTube channel. YouTube is another source of passive income if you can leverage its opportunities. Remember, YouTube is amongst the largest search engines, so most online searchers are likely to land on YouTube. But how do you make your $100 a day on YouTube? The first monetization approach is the use of ads. By placing ads on your YouTube videos, you can earn a minimum of $2 for every 1,000 views. So, you only need 50,000 views to make $100, which is an attainable goal with good traffic. Another monetization approach is affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions on affiliate products that you recommend, and if you have products that you can sell, you can promote them instead. The secret to making money on YouTube is more traffic. The more views you get and the more people subscribe to your channel, the more money you're likely to make. So, ensure you create video content and recommend products that your target audience will find relevant. Number 1. Start blogging. Consider translating your passion for writing into a business that earns you passive income. A blog is a content website that allows you to write interesting articles that we call blog posts. You can write on any niche ranging from finance and business to health and technology. So how does the money come in? Well, there are so many ways to monetize a blog. For example, I monetize my blog with paid ads and product recommendations, what's called affiliate marketing. But still, you can explore other options like selling products and courses or sponsored content. You don't need a lot of traffic to make $100. For example, if you refer 2 of your readers to Bluehost hosting service through their affiliate program in one day, you would have made $130. So how do you start blogging? You need to register your domain, which is the name or address of your blog online. After that, you need to host your blog, and I recommend Bluehost. As a matter of fact, Bluehost hosts you and lets you sign up for the domain free in your first year. You'll only pay $275 a month or $33 a year for the first year, which is fair. Check out a detailed free guide in the description below on how you can start a successful blog today and make $1,000 a month. In conclusion, it's easier to make $100 a day than you think. What most people are lacking is the perfect idea, and you have 10 to get you started. But still, what I've shared is just a fraction, and there are endless possibilities for making money online. I know this video was exciting and you loved it. Also check out this exciting video about the 10 work-from-home jobs without experience and other life-changing resources in the description below. If you